Hi guys. I thought I've not been updating a lot lately. It's about been quite busy. Um yeah, in a new job. Well, not so new. Joined a new company March last year, so it's not even 1 year yet. So still settling in. Big learning curve for me because it's a brand new role. At least for me, I've never had this role before. And then with 2025 was SPM year for my son, so been busy sending him to and fro extra classes, etc., etc. So yeah, I've not been updating that much, but here I am. Today's the 4th of January 2026, and I am camping solo. So I am on my way to check out. I arrived here yesterday. Um, Arrived here yesterday about noon. So pretty much packed up most of my stuff. Um, and I'm planning to stop by a friend's shop on my way back to Penang. So that's it. Just spend some time getting ready with me while I prepare myself to check out. Okay, not bad, not bad. See, girl's got to look pretty, right? Even though she's camping. Is that too much? Why does it look so much? It's not. Okay, let that blend in. Anyway, what's up with you guys? So try and guess where I am. I guess for those of you who are familiar with this campsite, maybe you recognize that the bathroom, the toilet at the back. Cuba teka. It's actually, this is my favorite campsite. Close to Penang. This is Wat Rock campsite in Ulu Kangso, Padarengas, Perak. From Penang, it's just about 1.5 hours, point to point. So to me, that's quite near. And I love it here. So yeah, I just have these things to put away. Everything else is in. Yeah, so new things that we got the fridge. The battery pack is at the back. Campsite owner was kind enough to give us 2 cempedak, and I have frozen durian in the fridge. It's gonna smell a bit, but that's okay. Yep, that's it. Oh yeah, new thing. We installed this metal rack. We used to have the fabric one, the net, which actually kind of blocks the rear view. So with this one, it's more sturdy, can actually fit more things. Sleeping bags, spare fly sheets, our pillows, all up there. Yesterday it was full house, so all the glamping tents were occupied. There was a group of friends, they were office mates, so about 5 families, so they took up 4 glamping tents and one of the chalets. They were here, so it was quite lively last night, and this morning they all checked out because they're all going back to KL. So it's just me, and another family just moved into one of the glamping tents over there. So they're quite far away. And then there's another family in one of the lots way behind me. So I'm pretty much alone in this area, but it's fine. Today's weather is so kind. It started off quite hot, the sun was out, and then towards like 12, the sun is just behind the clouds. So I'm here chilling. So nice. Okay, time to make a move. It's 3:21 on my watch, so let's get packing.